XB Marketing here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your content locker link to this landing page and start making money. And this is a follow-up video to the previous one I made on how to host this landing page for absolutely free without having to purchase a custom domain or a hosting plan. And if you've not seen that video, I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can go watch that video. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online with CPA and affiliate marketing. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So in this video, you want to keep in mind, this is going to be different for all CPA networks, but I'm going to show you how to do this specifically with Ogads and Cpagrip. And as you can see right here, I have used this landing page to generate a lot of leads from various countries, as you can see right here. Okay, so the first thing you want to do once you are in your Ogads account, all you need to do is to scroll to the top and you want to click on where it says tools. So once you click on tools, then you want to click on content lockers. So once you come over to this page, then you want to click on create a content locker. You want to give your content locker a name. All right, so I'm just going to type in TikTok landing page, as you can see right here. All right, and now the next thing you want to do from here, you want to change this from unload to JavaScript. And now the next step you want to do from here, this is up to you. You can add a link you want to redirect them to, or you can remove the content locker. And now you want to scroll to where it says advanced. So for this section, you can choose the number of conversions you want, which means the number of offers you want people to complete on your locker. All right, this is up to you. All right, so now the next thing you want to do from here is to then scroll to this desktop and mobile section. So for the title, you want to type in you are almost done, and also for the description, you want to type in complete any offer below to get your followers. All right, you want to do the same thing for mobile as well. All right, so once you do this and you want to click on create locker. So once you do that, it's going to bring you back to this page, and all you need to do from here is to click on action, and here you want to click on view details. So once you do this, all you need to do from here is to copy the JavaScript. So once you copy this JavaScript, you then want to go back to the folder of this landing page. So once you come over to this folder, all you need to do is to open this folder with Visual Studio Code. So if you don't have this software, all you need to do is to go over to Google, to type in Visual Studio Code download, and you want to click on the first link. So once you click on this first link, all you need to do from here is to download the version for whatever device you are using. So once you download it, it's very easy to install. So once you install it, it's very simple. All you need to do is to locate line 15 of this landing page. All right, so once you come over here, this is where you want to paste in your content locker link. So once you paste in your locker link right here, then you want to scroll down to line 78. So once you scroll down to line 78, you want to come back to your Ogads account and you want to copy this code. So once you copy this, you want to go back to your landing page and you want to paste in the code right here. As you can see, OG load. So this is all you need to do if you are on Ogads. So once you do that, you want to go to file, and from here, you want to click on save. So once you save this is all you need to do if you are on Ogads. All right. So now from here, I'm going to open this landing page. So once people come over to this landing page and they type in their TikTok username and they click on let's go, as you can see, it's going to ask me to choose the number of followers I want. So let's say 5,000. All right. So as you can see, it says manual verification required. So if I click on this verify button, as you can see, this content locker is going to pop up. So it's that simple. So if you're on Cpagrip, I'm going to also show you how to do this on Cpagrip as well. As you can see, it's very easy and you can use this to make money on Cpagrip as well. As you can see, these are some offers on Cpagrip that has been completed on this locker as well. So all you need to do on your Cpagrip account is to come over to the monetization tools and you want to click on content lockers. So once you click on content lockers, you want to click on this create new locker. All right. So once you do that, you can come over to this section and you can type in free TikTok followers. Okay. You can type in whatever you want. This is up to you. All you need to do from here is to scroll to this section that says on page load, and you want to change this to on click. All right. So on Cpagrip, you can also choose the number of offers you want people to complete by coming over to this leads required, and you can change this to up to 3. Okay. So this is all you need to do on your Cpagrip account and you want to click on save. So once you click on save, all you need to do is to click on get code. So you want to copy this JavaScript or you want to click on this copy code. So once you copy the code, you want to go back to line 15 as well, just like you did for Ogads. You want to delete this and you want to paste in that of Cpagrip. So once you do this, the next thing you want to do is to copy this as well, called locker. So once you copy this, you want to go back to line 78 as well. And all you need to do from here is to paste in this code like this. So once you do this, all you need to do from here is to come over here and click on save. So once you click on save, this is all you need to do if you are on Cpagrip. So now we are going to test this for Cpagrip. So if I click on let's go, so here I'm going to choose the number of followers. So as you can see, it says manual verification required. And if I click on verify, as you can see, it's going to pop up a lot of CPA offers right here. And once people complete this CPA offers, you make money. So once you do this, you can start promoting this landing page on various social media platforms and start driving traffic to this landing page. So the more traffic you bring to the landing page, the more conversions you are going to get.